for Survivor Series. The only time during the year our best superstars versus their best superstars. It's damn true.
You know, you do great as a commissioner and all, but, you know, sometimes the SmackDown talent doesn't even happen.
Okay, like that?
All right, that's the way it's going to be.
Oh, that's the way it's going to be.
I have her 5 best men right now, and I'm about to announce it.
Holy cow! That's the SmackDown Live roster.
Under siege.
Go get him! The entire SmackDown Live roster. SmackDown just...
Let's go!
It's Rollins and Ambrose, the Shield. If this is a predecessor to what's going to happen at Survivor Series,
as they drag Kurt Angle out to the ring. Raw.
I want you to bring what's left of your Raw roster, and we're all going to finish what we started.
In the forecast as we welcome you to SmackDown Live. He led the raid last night, putting Raw under siege.
What's up, Milwaukee? Wow, thank you very much for the love. Back at you. But I'm very happy to be back in this ring and back in charge, where SmackDown and the Raw roster compete in head-to-head competition. Some of the SmackDown roster and I paid a little visit last night to Monday Night Raw. Not only were we gonna give AJ Styles, allow him to compete for the Raw brand, to insult the SmackDown roster, saying that they couldn't really level up. So that's when hashtag Under Siege was unleashed. But I guarantee you, we won't be, because we're ready.
Sami Zayn is here. His former friend and now best friend again, Kevin Owens, absolutely boiling. And look at Sami. Zayn might knock Sami out if Zayn's not careful.
Well, firstly, hello. No hard feelings about Hell in a Cell, right?
Well, we'll deal with that another time. Listen, what you said about how you were gonna... Where do you think that left me about my own physical health? Where was that? You pulled Kevin Owens on top of me for the 1, 2, 3.
You're out here right now as the commissioner of SmackDown Live. I would take you out in 1 second. You understand that? And believe me, I would leave you hurting. I would leave you hurting even worse than how you left Hell in a Cell. This is to let you know that my good buddy and brother, Kevin Owens, you want us to represent SmackDown Live at Survivor Series. Because, Shane, you are a lot of things.
I don't want you representing SmackDown at Survivor Series. Tonight, if you want to be on the Survivor Series team, all you have to do is defeat your opponent.
Yeah, Shane, I want to know who my opponent is later, yes?
With the Viper, Randy Orton.
His services just hit a major roadblock. I gotta tell you guys, I have no idea. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after a series challenge to the Beast Brock Lesnar last week, Jinder is volunteering. Keep on sucking. You guys ready for a little hashtag POP? New Day upset over the fact that that was Raw. A match presented by Jolly Rancher. It's New Day versus...
Well, what's up, man? I mean, we can't get the Zombie Mattel? What's up with the tag team? Let's do this.
Well, New Day, yes it is. Hey, Jimmy and Jay, I was a little upset over...
A whole nother level of the Usos, and I'm sure we brought a whole nother level from them, too.
Yeah, it's all... The New Day. Shelton Benjamin and Chad Gable.
Oh, you did fell for that too.
I did.
And we got played. It's all good.
Jolly Rancher, keep on sucking. He even went after his old tag team buddy, Jace.
Whole big talk is about.
Oh.
It's about Shelton Benjamin, guys. I'm just saying.
You got Shelton Benjamin and Chad Gable waiting in the wings, but
This year, the Usos represent the Usos more importantly. More importantly, you represent
Against Ambrose and Rollins.
I'm sorry.
I didn't expect that team in WWE. All I can say is this is
As New Day goes to work on Benjamin.
that awesome tag team offense you guys know so well.
Of Raw that no one likes Raw. We walk to their house and work everybody down. Oh, what a suplex by Shelton Benjamin.
but they never faced these kind of Usos. These Usos right here, also known as
we already beat American Alpha before. I mean,
This is not American.
like the first movie.
and then the second movie. Hood. Shelton, come on, that's
Oh, my gosh.
Lord, great counter.
Shelton Benjamin.
Great
Whoa.
Benjamin and
Big
Gable.
elbow right on the ear of Benjamin.
He can't hear.
Oh, my gosh.
Shelton Benjamin.
Spine buster.
There comes Kofi.
Kofi kicks it, though. Gable, wow, what a flying close.
Effective nonetheless.
Benjamin.
behind
To the back of the neck. The official didn't see it.
Cheating.
He was dealing with Gable.
Hey, they cheated to win. You saw that, Cole.
They cheating, man.
It's about it, Byron.
Gable's gonna shove Woods right into the ropes where
I'm talking about, man, they need to stop watching this. We got new stuff, though, Cole. We got new stuff.
Oh, good. We'll cheat.
We beat them down. We beat them down. We
There you go.
I know why you guys are all here. Survivor Series is 4 weeks away, and don't worry. Now, last year, Raw's women's team came out on top. But at Survivor Series, we're gonna have a unified front and a strong leader.
No,
Becky, Charlotte, you should go to the side.
Actually, Carmella's right. And the winner will be SmackDown Women's Survivor Series team captain.
it's glow time.
Both Mr. Pink. I'm Tickle Me Pink. You're Hot Pink.
I want to be tickled pink.
Hey! That gasoline? No. I'm thirsty.
See if he starts talking now.
Stop.
Hey, Stu Nuts. Hello, there you are, supposed to be.
Oh! Jay! What is that?
You're in big trouble. Let's go.
Oh. What about the briefcase?
Or who attacked you?
Or who trashed your office?
Or two.
Oh. The Bean Brothers is silent.
Yeah. Things? Yes. Exactly.
Byron, I really wish someone would trap Baron Corbin! Hey, Corey, you saw how
he wants to take out his frustrations on Sin Cara.
Yeah, Sin Cara with a count-out victory.
Are we gonna talk about what happened last night? When you and the SmackDown roster ransacked Raw?
Getting ready for Survivor Series. Well, I respect you. I respect your opinion. But as commissioner, sometimes I just got to make calls on my...
I'm just putting in my input. Because that's part of my job description.
198 pounds, Sin Cara! We're calling this a gigantic upset. Baron Corbin maybe underestimating the Lucha. With that right there. Yeah. The Lone Wolf was unable to answer the referee's 10 count, would lose.
Tonight, he's got to be careful. He's not looking ahead towards Survivor Series, whereas the United...
This isn't going to end well for the Lucha.
Oh, what a peel halfway across the ring, and see the blocks against Baron Corbin here. Delivers an elbow right to the... Yes! Oh, and Sin Cara caught it in right hands, and Sin Cara looking to fly. Oh, wow.
Corbin right on the
outside. Suicide dive, much like last week. Maybe not for long. Corbin from the top rope. Missile drop kick.
Right in the chest of the Lone Wolf. Apparently the game plan was step on the gas pedal.
The official trying to back Corbin off.
Corbin is...
Back off, Corbin. Let's go. You didn't work down the rope. Let's go. Back
Sin Cara's on Sin Cara, and apparently the United States champion got himself disqualified. I think Sin Cara's won.
And Baron Corbin with the end of days right outside.
The Lone Wolf is irate.
Superstars. Both in the arena and around the perimeter of the arena. In response,
please welcome Sunil and Samir, the Singh Brothers.
Our names are the Singh Brothers.
Defending
defending undisputed Jinder Mahal!
Tough Brock Lesnar was on Monday night. That's not going to do him any favors.
If Jinder wants to truly solidify his status as one of the all-time great champions,
as long as both of these men are still champs in 4 weeks in Houston, Brock Lesnar, the universe.
There are those who lie, and Paul Heyman is a liar.
The make-believe Maharaja. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no battle for brand supremacy. Your challenge is hereby accepted. You're going to Suplex City.
Everything that I have in the WWE, I have earned. I have dominated Randy Orton. I have out-wrestled Shinsuke Nakamura. The same level of respect that I get from the 1.3 billion. Brock Lesnar's contemporary. I am not Brock Lesnar's counterpart. That human walrus. Exactly why. As for tonight, my loyal brother, Sunil Singh, not only...
I don't think
the following contest is scheduled for one fall. AJ Styles.
You know, guys, remember
Styles' opportunity to prove himself worthy of a matchup with the modern-day Maharaja.
Tucker in Kurt Angle in the Monday Night Raw roster last night to set up the
incredibly motivated tonight.
Oh, look at this! Oh, yeah, good call.
Why is it a good call?
Not going to be able to watch Sunil Singh go one-on-one with AJ. And now a headbutt.
Nasty headbutt right on the eyebrow of Sunil.
Trying to ambush him from behind is Sunil. Sunil into Samir. Middle of the ring. He's got a tag. Watching that.
Yeah, so much for fighting for Jinder's honor.
That didn't last long. Opportunity at Jinder Mahal.
And the WWE title.
Have a qualifying match for Team SmackDown Live. Of course you do. Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. So tonight, I beat Randy Orton. I qualify. Team SmackDown Live officially becomes Team Kevin and Sammy. You mean Team Sammy and Kevin?
Maddox, Daniel, we need to talk. His brother couldn't get the job done, so next week, Samir Singh.
I am sure, Daniel. And guess what? It's gonna be phenomenal.
I made that same joke last week.
Women's team at Survivor Series, Carmella, Tamina, and Becky Lynch set for action.
Naomi!
I'm just traumatized that we saw Tidy Whities earlier.
Charlotte Flair!
So one of these 5 women will captain Alicia Fox, who beat Bayley and Sasha in a triple threat matchup last night.
Remember who you are and remember the greatness you were destined.
The SmackDown Live Women's Champion, that's Natalya, but she's not in the match.
It has nothing to do with this fatal 5-way match.
The greatest superstar of the entire Hart family, your women's champion, Natalya!
If Charlotte wants to be the women's champion here on SmackDown Live, she's got to beat the champion, true queen of SmackDown Live, the SmackDown Women's Champion.
And here we go, first woman to gain pin. This. The champion versus champion match at Survivor Series.
No.
Yeah, no teammates. Carmella, Samoa drop. The SmackDown Live Women's team at Survivor Series, and Carmella hit the apron hard.
Now, keep in mind as much.
And Charlotte unloading just about everybody.
Oh no, look at the power of Charlotte Flair.
What a fall away slam.
Oh, watch Becky, watch Becky.
Becky Lynch goes after her friend. Oh. And now Naomi takes out Becky, who hit hard.
Oh, no.
Oh, just whipped into the...
Why would Lana even do that? She's not even involved in the match.
She is. Tamina made Charlotte pay with a wicked super here, but the action continues as Charlotte is set out into the double.
But whatever Lana's tapped into has been working.
Well, now in the thick of things. Oh, my God.
Did you hear that?
Naomi hit so hard into the post. Look at this. Looking for the disarm. What's Carmella going to do here? She's tapped out. Becky Lynch is the catch.
Sneaks into Monday Night Raw last night with the SmackDown crew.
So tonight, here's a little bit of a Survivor Series redemption.
Team SmackDown Live against Alicia Fox's Team Raw at Survivor. Security position throughout the building, outside the arena, to try to prevent that.
But you're gonna ramble on with some question that no one cares about? Sad idiots in the WWE universe think make us superstars. How about this for a catchphrase? Bobby Roode is nothing but a fraud. Told you so. Bobby Roode couldn't. If you're all happy or you're all sad, it doesn't matter. I beat Bobby Roode. What are you smirking at? Oh, I get it.
Yeah, we're not friends. Last night on Monday Night Raw, I had the time of my life fighting. I figured, why not one more match? You know, to decide who the better man really is.
I beat you twice. I can beat you through.
Wait, I think you're onto something there. That's a great idea. In a 2 out of 3 falls match.
I just hope your ego can take being completely embarrassed.
Next week on SmackDown Live, it's going to be absolutely.
High stakes in this match. Sami Zayn! This is how this all came about last week on SmackDown.
I don't think Sami's kind of residing on a planet of illusion at times.
And his opponent, Randy Orton!
Like in his Team Raw in 4 weeks in Houston.
In a 2 out of 3 falls matchup, but here's a caveat. The winner of this match
to join Team Blue, the artist Shinsuke Nakamura will face
tonight to join that team. And if Kevin wins next week, they say it could be Team Kevin and Jericho. How selfless Kevin Owens is. And look at this, it ran the WWE champion.
Sami Zayn.
Well, that's not too wise. Yeah, I'm not sure how wise that was or that. And Randy Orton with an uppercut, just about
stiffest forearms uppercuts I've ever seen in my life.
Sami Zayn trying to figure out what to do at this juncture. Randy Orton not happy with the low blow last week or the chops here tonight. And now Sami Zayn with a kick, and Orton's down.
You may not like his motives,
and now
but
Zayn right here in front of us.
Sami Zayn is a very
and Zayn on the apron. Moonsault caught Randy right on the team in 4 weeks to take on Team Raw in Houston. Yeah, up to that moment, and now Randy Orton looking to build momentum, but Sami Zayn caught him with a heel kick to the... And how he wants to act here, and... Sami Zayn! Hung up here, the Randy Orton we've seen so many times in the past.
Viper coming back to life here again.
There's the power slam, pulling him outside the ring. Gonna bounce Randy Orton off the apron. Announce table, Randy Orton gonna make Zayn pay!
No, Orton now taking the fight.
With a suplex, and he sends Zayn sky high. Randy Orton coming in hard. Sami Zayn
look at this.
Leaps up the top. There's the crossbody. Zayn almost a kick. And Orton may be down and out. Up. Randy caught him with a right. As well. Wow. Superplex. Right back with Zayn. And now Randy bounced off the steel ring post. Hey, Zayn flies through the ropes. There's the DDT.
That's it. Look at this, Sami diving through the middle and bottom rope before
here. Orton in the corner, Zayn going for the Helluva kick, and he got hung up at the top. Vintage Orton with the DDT. Buddy Kevin Owens. Randy Orton looking at DDT. Zayn from behind. Zayn. Orton little stares at Owens. He delivers an RKO. And this out of nowhere. It was right in Zayn's face. And Randy Orton.
About his all fair play. Boom. A low blow from this. A direct message. Kevin Owens.
Here's your buddy. Here's your Randy Orton will be part of the SmackDown Live 5.
Well, a tremendous show tonight. And we're our first member of the Team Blue roster for Survivor Series, Randy Orton.
Kurt Angle was going to bring the Raw roster and ransack SmackDown.
But they didn't, huh?
Because that's in your job description.